Diana Rodriguez Ibanez. I am single. I am from Bogota. I am 20 years old. I am a student. I am studying public accounting at UNAP. I live in Bogota. And my free time, I like to read, watch videos, play soccer and basketball. Talking about my city Bogota. The main city tourist place are Montserrat, Simon Bolivar Park, and Plaza of Bolivar. The typical food in my typical food in my city is ajiaco santafereño. The main celebrations in my city are the Foundation of Bogota and the Independence of Colombia. And in my city I can begin going to park, hiking and reading sport.